How to export files from Canva. Hello and welcome to our channel WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can export files from Canva. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your browser and kindly go to canva.com. Or you can simply click the link on the description below. And after that, all you need to do is to sign up and you will be directed on this page. But before that, if you don't know what is Canva, it is a popular online graphic design platform that allows users to create a wide range of visual content, including presentations, social media graphics, posters, flyers, infographics, and many more. It also offers an intuitive drag-and-drop interface with a variety of templates, images, fonts, and design elements that users can customize to create professional-looking designs without needing advanced design skills. And also, Canva provides both free and paid subscription plans, with the paid plans offering additional features and access to premium assets. And now, you will see here on the homepage of Canva a variety of templates that you can choose, but you could also navigate other options on the left side panel such as projects, templates, brand, apps, and even invite members. And now, the next thing that we need to do is to select an output that we want to create. We have here doc, whiteboard, document, class schedule, presentation, Facebook post, website, and many more. But in those options, I'm going to select this one, infographic. So kind of click on it and you will be directed on this page, in which from here you can start customizing the infographics that you prefer using the editing tools on the left side panel. Or you can even choose the templates that you prefer. So kind of click on the template, and after selecting the template, it will show you the content of this template that you can customize. And to do that, all you need to do is to kind of click on any of those contexts, images, or other elements that this template contains. And aside from that, you could also add elements by clicking the Elements option on the left side panel, in which from here you could add photos, videos, sticker, shape, and many more. And aside from that, if you want to add another context, just proceed by clicking the text option on the left side panel, in which from here you can add a heading, subheading, and body text to your infographics. And aside from that, you could also choose the font combination that is available below. And from here, you could also customize the font style, the font size, the color of it, or if you want to make it bold or italic. And aside from that, on the left side panel, you could also navigate the upload option, in which it will enable you to import media files from your computer. And aside from that, you could also navigate the draw option on the left side panel, in which it will enable you to draw to the infographics using different kind of pens and color. While under the project option, you will see here the project that you have been created. And if you are now done customizing your project or output, you could also rename or enter the title that you prefer. So let's say I'm going to enter sample 1. And now, in order to export this output, just proceed by clicking the share button on the top right corner and just scroll down until you find the download option. So kind of click on it, and the next thing that you need to do is to choose the file type, but it is suggested the PDF print as a file type. But you could also choose the JPG, the PNG, PDF standard, and many more in exporting this file. And aside from that, below, you could also customize the size of it, but in order to do that, you must have an upgrade account on Canva. And aside from that, you could also customize the quality of this output, but you must have an upgrade account also. And now to proceed, just click this download button below. And after that, it will show you that the files has now been exporting or downloading to your media or computer files. And after it has been completed, you can now see it on your computer files. But that is not the only project or output that you could also export on Canva. Since if you go back on this homepage, you will see here a variety of files that we can create, including brainstorm, video, poster, Instagram posts, and many more. And if we refresh this homepage, you could also see the recent design of infographics that we just created. including its title Sample 1. And now, if you want to create or export other kind of files, you can just simply select other kind of outputs that you want to try. And aside from that, you could also select the custom size if you want a customized size of your output by simply entering the width, height, and proceed by clicking Create New Design. And let's say you want to create a video, just click these video options in here, in which upon clicking on it, below you will see other kind of option that you could also select as a template, such as video, mobile video, Facebook video, Instagram Reel, and many more. But in those options, I'm going to select this video. So kindly click on it and you will be directed on this page, in which from here you could also select or choose a template that you prefer. So after selecting a template, you could also choose to add a specific pages, or if you want to add all the pages of the template, just click Apply All Pages. And after that, you will see all the pages on your timeline. And you could also customize each pages using the editing tools on the left side panel, such as if you want to add other elements, including shapes, graphics, stickers, images, photos, videos, or even add an audio. And aside from that, you could also add or customize the context of it by clicking the text option on the left side panel and add a text pack if you want to add, or choose the text styles that you prefer. Or if you want to edit the text on the slide, just simply click the text on the slide and you will be able to choose or select the font style on the left side panel of it, and also the font size, the color of it, or to make it bold or italic. And aside from that, by clicking Uploads, you will be able to upload a media files from your computer to this video. And you could also draw to your video slide to make it more creative using different kind of pens and colors. While under the projects option, from here you will be able to see all of the project or files that you have been created on Canva. Now the next thing that we need to do, if you're now done customizing, is to enter the title of it. So I'm gonna enter here Sample 2 Video. And now to export these files, the next thing that we need to do is just do the same process, which is to select the share button on the top right corner. And upon clicking on it, just scroll down until you find the download button. By clicking on it, you can select the file type that you prefer, but it is suggested to choose the MP4 video. And after that, you could also customize the quality of your video, but you must have an upgrade account. And now, the next thing that we need to do is to proceed by clicking the download button below. And after that, it will show you that your files or MP4 video is now being exported. And all you need to do is to wait for it to load. And after that, it will be exported to your computer files. So that is just how you can export files from Canva. Thank you.